MVC Rescue, Pack 3, Ladder 103, Engine 101, Medic 101, Battalion 101, MSO 117, MSO 105, T 1075, Bellevue Way Northeast. MVC Rescue, Pack 3, Ladder 103, Engine 101, Medic 101, Battalion 101, MSO 117, MSO 105, T 1075, Bellevue Way Northeast, 1302 hours.
Copy. We did do a rescue response. Medic 101, MSO117 are en route, and we'll get A and B started. Additional info on this MVC rescue. We're getting another caller saying there's 5 to 10 patients that the hot pot water spilled on them and they've got burns as well.
Battalion 101 copies. Let's add a second medic and a second A and B.
Received.
Dispatch Medic 101 on scene. Will be 12th Command. Will be out investigating. Car is completely through the building. 12th Command.
Received, 12th Command.
L107 on scene. Correction, L103. Battalion 101 on scene. 110 on scene. All responding units from Battalion 101. Let's have all subsequent apparatus staged across the street on the east side of Bellevue Way in the abandoned parking lot. Full command from Battalion 101.
Battalion 101 from Ladder 103.
Battalion 101.
We're still working on a patient count. We have nobody that is trapped currently. We have one patient that's still inside that we're working on just removing some debris from, but they are not trapped.
Battalion 1 copies. Break. Full command from Battalion 101. Battalion 101 is on scene, assuming 12th Command. Command post is in the parking lot outside of the structure. Engine 101 has been made medical group with A101 assigned for triage.
Received.
Ladder 103, 12th Command.
Ladder 103.
I'll make you rescue group supervisor. If you can work with medical group, get a patient count, and figure out extrication needs.
Ladder 103 copy. Work with medical, and we'll be rescue group.
Dispatch from 12th Command.
12th Command, go ahead.
Can you have PD control the traffic on Bellevue Way between 10th and 12th? I'd like to use that for a transport corridor if needed.
Affirmative. PD to control the traffic on Bellevue between 10th and 12th for transport corridor.
Affirmative.
Command Engine 101.
12th Command.
Patient count, 5 green, 2 yellows at this time.
Copy. 5 green, 2 yellows. Do we need any extrication?
Negative, no extrication.
Copy. No extrication needed.
12th Command from Fire Dispatch, 2 A and Bs from Overlake.
12th Command copy. Let's cancel our second medic and cancel one of the AMBs.
Receive cancel. Second medic, medic 102 can cancel, and I'll cancel one of the AMBs.
Medic 102, copy, cancel.
You're going to have to dispatch from 12th Command.
Command, go ahead.
Could you also have PD prevent any further vehicles from coming into Bellgate Plaza?
Receive.
Medical group from 12th Command.
12th Command from rescue group.
12th Command.
We're working on removing the last victim from the restaurant, and then we're completing a primary search and removing all the occupants.
12th Command copy, and then once that objective is complete, check the building for stabilization needs.
Ladder 103 copy, check for stabilization.
Dispatch from 12th Command.
Command, go ahead.
Could you have our AMB report to Bell Plaza in front of Medic 101 for 4-patient transport?
Receive. Have AMB report in front of Medic 101 for patient transport.
Affirmative. 8101 from 12th Command.
Wait.
All units under our 12th Command. Engine 101 is medical group supervisor with Engine 101, Engine 110. Medic 101, Aid 101 assigned. They're transitioning to treatment of patients preparing for transport.
Command from medical group.
12th Command.
How many AMBs did you request, and how many are here?
We have one A and B, Aid 101 and Medic 101.
Copy. A1 has left the scene with one yellow patient to Overlake.
12th Command copies. One patient transported via A101. How many more transport units do you need?
If we have one A and B here, we'll need 2 more.
12th Command copies. 2 more transport units.
Affirmative.
12th Command, MSO117 on scene.
Dispatch from 12th Command.
Command, go ahead.
Can we get 2 more A and Bs?
Copy, now requesting 2 more A and Bs for a total of 3.
Affirmative.
Command Medical Group. Let's add 1 more A and B.
12th Command. Medical Group from 12th Command, go ahead.
12th Command Medical Group, I did not have traffic for you.
Copy. Break. MSO117, 12th Command.
MSO117.
Can you face-to-face with the command?